In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume to Thinkorswim chart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to display trading volume beneath your price chart so you can quickly see how active a stock is during each bar or candle. Volume is a key confirmation tool. It helps you gauge the strength behind price moves and spot potential reversals or breakouts. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and give it a moment to load fully. Once you're in, look toward the top of the workspace for the Charts section. If you're on a different tab, such as Monitor or Trade, switch over so you're viewing your main price chart. With the chart visible, move to the upper area of the chart window and find the Styles menu. It typically appears near the top right of the chart panel. Click it to open a small drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This opens the Chart Settings window, where you control how your chart looks and what information it shows. Inside the Chart Settings window, select the Equities tab. This tab is specifically designed for stock-related display options and is the place where the volume setting resides. In the Equities tab, locate the option labeled Volume. Check that box to enable volume on your chart. Checking this tells Thinkorswim to add a volume subgraph directly below your price chart. The volume bars represent the number of shares traded during each bar. Typically, bars are color-coded to mirror price movement for that period, which makes it easy to spot high-activity sessions and compare volume spikes to price action. Once you've checked the volume option, click Apply to preview the change while keeping the settings window open. You should see the volume pane appear below your price candles or bars. If everything looks good, click OK to close the settings. That's it. Volume is now active on your Thinkorswim chart. As you start using it, keep an eye on how volume behaves around key levels and during breakouts. Rising volume can confirm momentum, while fading volume may signal exhaustion. If you switch symbols or timeframes, the volume pane will remain in place, updating automatically with your chart. If you prefer a cleaner or more pronounced look, you can return to the same settings area later to fine-tune visual preferences. To wrap up, you open Thinkorswim, went to the Charts area, used the Styles menu to access settings, navigated to the Equities tab, checked volume, and confirmed with Apply and OK. You now have a clearer, more informative chart that pairs price with participation. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.